What are we doing here, Gary?
Well, we're going to build a nice new porch here, pressure treated lumber you see over there, and it's going to be solid, handicapped accessible. When Denny needs a place to come and watch what's going on here, we'll be able to wheel him up there, put him in his chair. We'll bring him his lunch and supper if needed, and he'll be able to sit and watch it.
Oh, well, that's what his ancestors did, wasn't it?
Yeah, they sat right on this porch as a youth. He sat on this porch. He's going to do his reclining years on the same porch.
Yeah. Well, let's show the folks just how close the porch is. Oh, the sun's glaring, but the dealership is just a spitting distance away from this porch, so he can still rule with the iron fist.
That if something happens, he does happen to be incontinent. We've got the dumpsters right here.
Put him in it. Well, Gary, I'll let you get back to your work.
Okay, thank you.